because there are many such companies which keep an eye on you all the time. The fear of how deepfake can ruin our entire life. Especially girls should pay attention to this thing that you should not give access of your gallery and your camera to any app. Whatever shortcut ways there are to earn money, they are not suitable for girls mostly. The use of F word in this movie has been almost more than 50 times. If someone is making something for the wider audience, they should use better words. Hello viewers. Let's first understand the story of CTRN movie. In this movie, there is a girl named Nella who had a boyfriend named Joe since school time. Nella and Joe together create a social media channel. Their relationship and channel grows very well and they became very popular.
Okay.
4 years pass like this. When Nella comes to surprise Joe on his 5th anniversary, she finds out that Joe was cheating on her.
What?
At that time, Nella breaks up with Joe. After breakup, Nella left alone, so brands stop working with her, because of which money stops coming in. Nella goes into sad zone after reading people's comment on social media, and then she starts seeing Joe from her life. For this, she downloads an AI software app. As that app asks for her phone access, she granted that. So now that app can access her camera, her gallery photos, her contacts, everything. Gradually, that app starts removing Joe from all the photos. And that app starts studying Nella's behavior through the camera and soon becomes friend. One day, Nella comes to know that Joe is missing. That is, nobody was able to contact him from 1 week. Hearing this, Nella starts searching for Joe. Within few days, it is found that Joe has died. Nella got a shock. After a lot of searching, Nella finds a video of Joe in which Joe tells that a company named Mantra has launched an app which takes people's data and sells it to big companies for a huge amount of money. This app first becomes friend of people and then gradually takes all their data through their phone gallery, contacts and camera. Then Nella realized that she was also using the same app and that app has taken her data too. Then Nella files a case against that company, but that company traps Nella by making a deepfake video of Joe. Then Nella has to take back the case. In the end, it is seen in the movie that Nella is talking to the AI version of the same app named as Joe. If we do the positive analysis of this movie, the movie gives a message to everyone regarding data security that everyone should keep their data safely. One should not upload everything on social media sites without any reason because there are many such companies which keep an eye on you all the time to see what are your choices in eating, in wearing, in shopping, etc. And in a way, you will become a puppet in their hands. The disadvantage of deepfake video were also explained in this movie, and people were also informed about the fear of how deepfake can ruin our entire life.
Cheating.
This movie shows how Gen Z will face problems due to internet and its advanced technologies, and what precautions should be taken to keep the problems away. If we do the negative analysis of this movie, then we can see that Nella thinks that middle class life is quite boring.
पापा मुझे बेकरी पे बिठा देंगे खुद के मर जाऊंगी वहां
And also, she wanted a lot of money and that too very fast. She don't want a middle class life. Middle class life may seem unsatisfactory from outside, but there is peace in that life. You don't have to run around for money all the time. In middle class life, you can also spend time with your family. But this doesn't happen in fast moving life as people earn lots of money, their priorities changes and that is why relationships grow mostly. The next negative analysis of this movie is that what we see on social media is not necessarily correct. From Nella's side, the relationship was true, but it was completely fake from Joe's side for a period of time. That's why we should not take social media so seriously. Sometimes privacy is also a good thing. It is not right to share everything online. The next negative thing is that the use of F word in this movie has been almost more than 50 times. This was not an American movie, it was an Indian movie, but still, the F word was used so many times. This word does not increase the standard of the movie, but rather decreases it. After watching the movie, it seems as if the writer does not have words to express himself. This thing could have improved. If someone is making something for the wider audience, they should use better words. If we do the stupidity analysis of the movie, then Nella had given access to her gallery, contacts, camera, etc. to that app. This is the biggest stupidity she has done.
Come on, man.
No matter how nicely the AI talks to you, you should not forget that it is a machine. And why should you are falling in love with a machine? If the AI machine understands your behavior completely once, then it will talk to you only that which you like. This way, you will get trapped in the web of illusion that you have created yourself. Nella should never give access of her camera to that AI app. Especially girls should pay attention to this thing that you should not give access of your gallery and your camera to any app. The second stupidity is shown in the movie is that Nella had a great desire to earn money
मैं पैसे कैसे बनाऊंगी यार?
and she wanted to earn money as quickly as possible. Many girls especially fall prey to these traps. Whatever shortcut ways there are to earn money, they are not suitable for girls mostly. It is better to earn money slowly through education. If we do the spiritual analysis, the owner of the AI app company was doing fraud for money. That means he had a lot of materialistic desires. And when Nella accused him, he frightens her. That means he had a lot of ego also. You can like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.